Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet application where you can do stuffs that you used to do with Excel, and sharing this particular sheet across your team members is much easier. So if you make a table, if you insert some data or some table in a particular Excel spreadsheet by visiting spreadsheet.google.com/spreadsheet, from there you can make a table and you can add access to other team members and make some spreadsheet calculation which you used to do with Excel. Now that's a short introduction to what Google Spreadsheet is all about and how it performs. I mean, achieves tasks like sum, product, max, mean, and all those stuff. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to. So here in front of me, there is a data set where there are some units and there are rate. So total would be something like product of unit into rate. So that will be yielding total. How can we do that? We'll be going on and moving on with this particular set of data one by one. The next video which I am going to record is over how to perform the aggregator function product in Google Spreadsheet.